Relax and enjoy nature with these camping tips. One of the most popular recreational activities in the world is camping. There is nothing quite like heading out into the great outdoors to really feel connected to nature. If you are thinking about going camping, use the following advice to make your next camping trip more fun and enjoyable. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. If you have a new tent to take on your camping trip, you should set it up at home before you go on your camping trip. This allows you to check and see that all the pieces are there and that you know how to assemble your shelter correctly. It's a great way to avoid the frustration of having to set up a tent on site. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in, or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. Once you know more about camping, you can really relax and have fun when you head out into nature. As with any activity, the more you know, the more successful your camping trips will be. Just remember the useful tips you have watched here so that you can enjoy all of your camping trips. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.